And here we have our dough ball. Right now I will start shaping the dough ball into a pizza. Most of the time I'm just pushing it to get the nice edge, and after I have it around the size of my hand, I will pick it up and I will start using the wheel method to form the dough into the right shape and size. As you can see, it's quite thin. I like it, and the edge will be a bit thicker. And now, as you can see, it's the size that I want. So here I have the dough, and I've learned that putting the dough on a wooden shovel helps it to get more easy into my uni oven. Okay, so now I'm going to make the pizza. As you can see, it's on the shovel. It's a 16-inch pizza shovel, and I think the pizza is around 14-inch, I guess. And I'm putting a bit of Mutti Polpa on it. Then I will take some of the Fior di Latte Mozzarella that I already have been plucking, so it will be a bit more easy to put on a pizza. And after that, I will add some of the Cacciatore on it. And right now, the last step is putting on some of the Parmigiano Reggiano on it. And I will just grate it over my pizza. Not too much, there's already a lot of mozzarella on it, but enough to give it a bit more of a salty flavor. And now it's ready to be put in my uni oven.